Hello dear friends, today I draw a parrot using letter Y. At first I am draw a letter Y and connect the line and another line. Now I draw a curved line and draw invert J. Draw a curved line and complete its back. Now I draw the letter O. Letter O. Now I complete another curved line. Now I draw two curved line and complete bird's tail and draw 3 double 3 again 3. Now draw its feather. Now draw two line, the bird sitting on the tree. Now draw branch and leaf. So dear friends, our easy drawing is finished. If you are new viewers in our YouTube channel or Facebook page, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching, friend.